Hi everyone, this is the TiE Women podcast and we welcome you to the first episode. We have with us Parul Ganju, one of the most successful women entrepreneurs here in Pune. So welcome Parul and thank you for joining us.
Thank you, Ipsita, for having me here. It's absolutely a pleasure for me to be here.
So I want to know Parul that how did you start your entrepreneurial journey? And also tell us a little bit about Ahammune because it's one of the most exciting companies that we have ever heard of.
Yeah, thanks for that. But you'll be surprised to know that my entrepreneurial journey actually started because of my impatience. And it's surprising me coming from a biotech background. Okay. So I was doing my PhD in skin biology when I got to know about this problem of vitiligo, which is the world's largest depigmentation disorder. And during my studies, I actually got to interact with a lot of patients who were suffering from it, right? Like on ground. And that's when I realized that what we were doing in the lab as scientists was ultimately not going to do anything for them. And they were really desperate for finding the solution for their problem. I mean, it's a lifelong disease. Okay? You get those white patches on the skin. You might have seen a lot of people. It's very common. And problem is till now there was no treatment for it. So looking at them, looking at their desperation, actually made me very frustrated. I was like, what am I doing in the lab? Is what we are doing ever going to reach those patients? The answer was no. And that's when I decided that if I want to do something for them, if the science that what we are doing, we want to translate into the products that would be helpful for the patient, we need to set up companies, take things from the lab to the market. And that's how Ahammune was set up in 2016. We just turned 9. So it's, wow. As I said, you will be surprised, right? I am impatient, but it's already 9 years for it. So, but it's been a very exciting journey. Ahammune is now at a stage where we are developing one of the world's first treatments for vitiligo, which has a first-in-class mechanism of action. Nobody in the world is working on what we are doing. And we really believe that what we are developing is going to be a game changer in the therapeutics arena. So very excited for the next stages.
Wow. And you're also now the TiE Women Chair. Okay. And this has been your journey, I think, is what TiE Women stands for, the whole initiative, right? You've actually started from the beginning and now you're leading it. Okay. So tell us a little bit about the TiE Women journey. What made you actually, become a part of the TiE Women initiative?
Another funny anecdote, okay? I was not going to take part in the TiE Women pitch competition. That's how I got introduced to TiE. And I got a call from Jailam, another fabulous woman entrepreneur, we are very fortunate that she is a part of TiE Pune, who was the chair at that point. That was in around 5 years back. And she called me and she insisted that, you should take part. But in my mind, coming from a biotech niche, no service provider, not making making money, I thought of myself that okay, we are not there yet. We are not there where we are making money. We've developed something which is already in the market. But Jailam was so, I mean, she was so insistent, and she said that what we are doing is actually game changing. So she is the one who insisted that I join, and that's how because of her I took part in that competition. And then I just went ahead and won the global second prize.
Wow, congratulations.
But that journey would not have been possible without the mentorship that I received from the TiE Pune charter members. And that's when I realized the power of TiE and the power of this program, which is TiE Pune Women, right? So, coming from the scientific background, I was never very good at business, so as to say. And these people like Ajay Bhagwat, Ravi Nigam, Ganesh Natarajan, Anand Deshpande, Kiran Deshpande, these were the people who actually helped me take that my science and present it in a manner which will be impactful for investors, which will be impactful for people who don't even understand science, and actually help me build my business model. Thing gave me that clarity. And that's the reason why I could stand in front of that global stage with all lovely women entrepreneurs, absolutely fantastic businesses by my fellow colleagues, and could actually pitch for my business. So my pitch in the first part, when I took part in the competition, was like 180-degree different from what I actually presented, and that's all because of the mentorship. It's that power of TiE that made me believe in, that no, I have to be a part of it. And um, like it's been 2.5 years now that I am now an active part of TiE Pune and a charter member, and I have been taking part in now whatever I learned. I want everybody to get benefit out of TiE Pune is stalwart mentors, stalwart founders and entrepreneurs who are always there to help any entrepreneur who's there, coming to them with questions and answers.
So you recently raised a really large funding round and you were like in the news everywhere, right? So can you actually say that that entire journey of being part of TiE Women and that whole journey you had from participating in this competition in Pune, then going to national, then global stage, you think, can you attribute this this successful round of fundraising, especially we know that your industry, even though it's part of deep tech, is very misunderstood. So can you like attribute and say that the successful round of funding was to can be attributed to the TiE Women initiative?
Oh, 100%. 100%. It has given me that confidence. It has given me that clarity of GTM strategy. It has given me that clarity of how to talk to investors in a manner which they understand. We always think about impact in terms of social impact as scientists, right? But let's not forget what we are doing is also a for-profit business. We have to show the investors how is it that we are going to make money out of our invention, and that's something which I have learned over the years, being associated with people who've been there, done that. So I attribute a lot of the success in terms of fundraising and all to fabulous people who this ecosystem has. I've been very fortunate to be a part of that ecosystem and get advice and mentorship from so many people around me.
So can we safely say that TiE Women initiative is actually like the launch pad to success for women entrepreneurs?
100%. And if you want to give me as an example, I'm all over it. Why do you think I'm now the chair?
Oh, wow.
It's my way of giving back to the TiE Pune ecosystem that has given me so much. And I'm also insisting that anybody who wants to take their business to the next level, please take part in this initiative, become a part of this ecosystem, so we can showcase to the world that entrepreneurship has no gender. Even women entrepreneurs can reach the next stage.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you, Ipsita. Great chatting with you.